Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an Excel QR code. First, understand that QR codes are incredibly useful for embedding information directly into your spreadsheets. They allow users to quickly scan and access data, like website links or contact details, using a smartphone. This can streamline workflows and make your Excel files more interactive and user-friendly for anyone who needs to access the information quickly. To generate QR codes, the easiest method is often using an Excel add-in. Simply go to the Insert tab, then Get Add-ins, and search for QR code. You'll find several options, many of which are free. Once installed, these add-ins typically allow you to select a cell or input text, and then generate a scannable QR code image directly into your worksheet. It's a quick and efficient process. Once you've chosen your generation method, you can often customize your QR code. Most tools let you adjust the size, making it larger or smaller to fit your layout. You can also change the colors, perhaps to match your brand, and set the error correction level. A higher error correction level means the code is more robust against damage, but it might also be slightly larger. Always test your QR code after creation. After creating your QR code, it's crucial to test it thoroughly. Use different smartphone cameras and QR code scanner apps to ensure it scans reliably every time. Make sure there's good contrast between the code and its background, and avoid placing it on busy patterns. For more tips and to bring your space to life with smart tech, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.